Northern Brewer Brew Share Enjoy Homebrewing Starter Kit. Hanks Hefeweizen. The Northern Brewer Brew Share Enjoy 5-gallon starter kit is a classic beginner package that aims to get you making 5-gallon batches straight away. Important specs and inclusions listed on the page. Hanks Hefeweizen Recipe Kit. Yields till 5 gallons, about 50 12-ounces bottles, a 6.5-gallon fermenter with lid, spigot and airlock, a bottling bucket with spigot, hydrometer and test jar, lab thermometer, 5-gallon stainless brew kettle, 21-inch stainless spoon, clear tubing, a bottle filler, bottle brush and cleaning sanitizer. Fermenter's favorites oxygen wash, royal crown bottle capper and caps, 60. And instructions aimed at first-time brewers. Customer feedback on Amazon regularly points to this kit's completeness. Buyers like that you don't have to hunt for parts and that the supplied stainless kettle and quality hardware make the brewing process feel real from the first batch. Reviews often highlight the clarity of the instructions and the reliability of the recipe kits. Many beginners report their first few batches turning out better than expected. Constructive comments from reviewers typically mention the extra cost of bottles. You'll still need till 50 buy-off bottles for a full 5 gallons yield, and that more ambitious brewers will quickly outgrow the single recipe boxed kits when they want more recipe flexibility. If you want a straightforward, well-supported entry point to 5-gallon brewing that includes sensible tools, this Northern Brewer kit is a consistently recommended option. We share buy links in description box.